Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mr. Reality. Today flash is news is Qatar says it's not clear when Kabul airport will reopen. Qatar top diplomatic said Thursday that experts are racing to reopen Kabul airport but warned it was not clear when flights will resume, with many still desperate to flee Afghanistan. News Taliban leaders amid concern over what their rule will hold. In the wake of the rapid takeover, the Taliban have sought to calm those fears, including pledging to let women and girls attend school and allow people to travel freely, but many are skeptical, and Britain's foreign minister stressed the importance of engaging with the new rules to test their promises. In a reflection of those anxieties, dozens of women protested outside the governor's office in the western province of Herat to demand their rights be protected. They shouted slogans and urged the country's new leader to include women in their cabinet, a remarkable demonstration of the transformation in women's lives in the past 20 years. A team of Qatar and Turkish technical flew Kabul on Wednesday to help restart operation at the facility, which the UN says is crucial to provide the country with humanitarian assistance. It remains to be seen, however, whether any commercial airlines will be willing to offer service. Turkish foreign minister suggests that military flights which could be used to evacuate more people could potentially resume fast. Qatar, a tiny Gulf Arab chiefdom that has played an outside role in America's efforts to evacuate tens of thousands of people from Afghanistan, said it remains in talks with other world powers to enable the capital airport to resume commercial flights. In all of these areas, Arab side, we will judge them by what they do, not just by what they say. In Herat, the protester had a similar message for the Taliban. The Taliban leadership is announcing women's rights, but they should show it in action, said Firba Kabzani, who helped organize a rally at the provincial governor office there. We want the world to hear us and we want our rights to be safe, Kabzani said, noting that some facilities forbade women from joining the demonstration out of fear for their safety. Another participant, Mariam Abraham, warned that anything can be expected from the Taliban, but that Afghan women will continue to protest for their rights nonetheless. Our rights were not gifted to us and we will not let them fade easily, she said. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.